Yeah?
Which one is sister?
God.
Let's see, ready for stop?
I mean, so you done go fierce it already. Go in the water, go pack it up. And take off some oysters. Come look what I go on now. See there? Take off some real macad. Mali oysters. Breed the girl them quick and fast. Yeah, man.
So I can sell these now.
Yeah, man, I got sell them and say I can take off the money off the road and I'll tell that till tomorrow, yeah, man.
Okay, alright.
Up back again, yeah, man.
Dig up, dig up.
Yeah, man, I do the right thing. Yeah, I never tell me, don't you not gonna get no food, so no food is me get. That's it. A lot of people more time no food, no running, so you have to do the right thing.
Where though?
Yo, you lead the way to where I go. Portmore? No, that's something nothing. You go back through there. You can do one more circle and then we think that. Go on. You go on, man. I go Portmore. Can we capture up this already? two more bag here. Want two more in the bag.
Bang?
Yeah.
Kind of bang.
You know remember me?
Maybe.
She not remember, you know. She not remember me.
I share the marker.
Oh.
Are the white?
I two of them now, yeah? Oh, shoot. Take care.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Bueno.
Yeah. What go on?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.